Okay, good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have completed all the practice for ER diagram, right? If you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask me right now. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask. No one is saying. It means all of you are clear. That's good. It's my pleasure, and it is recorded. Hence, proves it. All of you are comfortable with this. Anyone is not like that. I don't know, sir. I have a query, I have a doubt. That's good. This is my safer side. Second thing, what type of question will be asked? It means FAQ. I will give you, but before that, I want to share something to you. This is our syllabus. You can see, as per our teaching scheme, this is ESC 50 marks, and semester exam will be taken by university. Then mid semester exam of having a 30 marks 30 marks. Again, it will be taken by university. Then internal I component 20 marks, which is known as the CSC rubric, CSC, right? In this, we have set Oracle certification. You need to clear the Oracle certification. How, when, where, I will give you all the answers. Next, Viva 25 at the end of semester, term work 25, that you know, assignment, practical files, and everything, right? So specifically, today we are going to discuss on this 20 marks CSC. Then after introduction to the concept of DBMS, we have covered relational model. In that relational database, domain, relational, that we are going to start today or maybe in the next lecture. Third one, entity relation model, we have covered, we have finished, right? So these 3 units will be in a mid-sem 1. This is your mid-sem syllabus as per the university. Already I have posted this mid-sem syllabus into a Telegram group, and already I have uh, told you in a previous session, right? So if you are absent, then ask your friends. So this is all about the mid-sem syllabus. Now, today or maybe tomorrow, within a short time, I will circulate one mail to all. So check your institute email ID. In that mail, 2 files will be attached. First one is your username, and second file for the guidelines. Steps to follow the enroll the Oracle certification. So this is the guidelines. First, let's see the guidelines. Go to this link. Let me copy. I have already bookmarked. Let's Okay, no issue. You can copy it, or you can write simply Oracle Academy login. You will find this type of page, right? Then sign into Student Hub, username, password, and this course and everything. I will give you one demo right now. So follow these steps. These steps are very easy, right? So here, go to sign in. There are two options: sign into member hub and sign into student hub. You need to click on a student hub. When you click on student hub, Just 1 minute. This type of username you will get in PDF. Beside this username, your name will be allocated. I will already circulate PDF in such a manner so you will not be confused. This username, for example, let's say हर्षिल. हर्षिल को मैंने ये यूजरनेम दिया है, then हर्षिल has to use this username only, right? So use this username, and if you are doing copy paste, then keep this thing in your mind. Do not include any white spaces, otherwise it will give the error, right? So you can type it or you can remove it if it is there. Now password, default password for all, that is Oracle Academy. That also I will mention in a mail, so don't worry. Oracle Academy. When you sign in, am I audible? And Daksh Kundani, kindly join all the lab and lecture on time. I will not repeat one thing so many times. Okay? Or else you can ask your friends. It will redirect to next page, that is set password. You need to compulsory, it is mandatory still. Compulsory you need to change the password, right? I am right now, I am not doing that thing. I have already my demo account, so I am using that thing, but just 1 minute. So when you change the password, you will be redirected to your login. Your username will be displayed here, but it's username like OA something, right? Your first name and next your last name. Don't worry, it will be printed on a certificate, but when certificate is very important thing, right? So on an important thing, your name should be printed. So don't worry, it will take a time. Definitely I will change your first name and last name. You cannot change it, right? So it will take time. So before completion of your course, I will update it. So don't ping me. मेरा यूजर नेम ये आ रहा है ये। आप पहले कोर्स कंप्लीट करो, इवन यू गेट द सर्टिफिकेट एंड user name will be there. Later on I can change it and you can generate it again also. So don't worry about the username. So don't come this type of query to me. Clear? Okay. In that you will find my channel. In my channel you will find dms_mu_year 2122. Click on that. When you click, you will be redirected to this DP database programming with SQL English, right? So we are going to enroll in a database programming with SQL. So whatever we are doing in a laboratory session, practical session, that will come in this course. When you click on this course, here you will find, I hope all of you are able to see, right? Yes. Here you will find the enroll button. It's unenrolled. When you find the enroll button, click on enroll button, and then you will get one pop-up. Oh, click on that, okay, and you will find unenrolled. Right now I have already followed that process, so unenroll is displaying to me. Beside this button, there is no button. You can see, but it's a hidden, that is the certificate. When you complete this course 100%, not 99%, not 99.99%, it's 100%, and it's mandatory. When you complete this course 100%, this button will be automatically enabled and you are able to download the certificate, right? तो कोई पहले से पूछेगा नहीं सर सर्टिफिकेट का बटन नहीं आएगा, नहीं आएगा। अब 100% खत्म करो तब भी आएगा, और नहीं आ रहा है इट मीन्स कहीं पे आपका फॉल्ट है, 100% नहीं हो रहा है। ईच एंड एवरी मॉड्यूल, ईच एंड एवरी सेक्शन यू हैव टू गो थ्रू, नॉट इवन a single slide you have to skip. Clear? Okay. So this is description. Section 0 all optional. Section 0 is optional. You have a 20 sections, 1 to 10 section. In each section you are having a material. In each material maybe it will ask 1 or 2 MCQ based on this content of that section. After that module in particular section quiz will be there, maybe of 10 questions. After 10 section you are having a mid-sem exam. You must have to clear that thing with above 65%, otherwise you will be failed. This is minimum criteria. Now you can realize what is competition and what is actual reality in big companies or in MNC companies, right? This is not like a mid-sem exam or university exam or any local exam or class test. Out of 30, 12 marks is required and limited attempt. 1 or 2 attempts are limited, but all of you must have to complete in and first attempt. Second attempt आएगा तो वो after 15 or 20 or 30 days के बाद, then तब तक सेमेस्टर खत्म हो गया होगा, तो आपके 20 मार्क्स, राइट? सिंपल, इजी है, डिफिकल्ट नहीं है। सेक्शन 1 मैं एक डेमो दिखा रहा हूँ। सेक्शन 1 इंट्रोडक्शन ऑल मैंडेटरी। इन सेक्शन 1 देयर आर 4 मॉड्यूल, 1 DP11, DP12, 13 and DP section 1 quiz. So when you click on a DP1, it is 100%. You can see here I have already completed. So let me go to back. Let me go to second option, second module. Now click on play button. When you click on play button, new window will be open. It will take time to load based on your internet connectivity. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स पेशेंस नहीं होते तो तुरंत स्क्रीनशॉट, सर ये वाइट स्क्रीन आ रही है, वाइट स्क्रीन आ रही है, नेटवर्क का इश्यू है, नॉट अदर देन दिस। सब टावर पे चढ़ जाओ और नेटवर्क ले लो, ठीक है। इसको आपको क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट, ये रीड करते जाना है, कुछ स्लाइड्स होगी, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, पर्पस, you need to read. Relational database, this is the table, we can see the columns and rows, right? So right now you can attempt section 1, section 2, till that we have covered in practical session, laboratory session. If you want to go ahead, you can read this material in this manner and go ahead and you can give this exam. Table, column, row, field, primary key, foreign key, everything you know, right? Select department name from department. It will display only one column, department name. You can see पहले ब्लैक कलर में फॉन्ट यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं, जैसे आपने रीड कर दिया ग्रे कलर हो गया, इट मीन्स प्रोग्रेस इज गोइंग ऑन। A relational database generally contains 2 or more tables, true or false. Randomly I am giving the answer. Incorrect. करेक्ट करने दे रहा है, नहीं करने दे रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, कंटिन्यू। Incorrect, good. View results. रिव्यू क्विज और रिट्राई क्विज, रिट्राई क्विज करके आप स्कोर कर सकते हो, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, फर्स्ट में 100% विथ 100% स्कोर था, यहाँ पे मैं इसलिए जानबूझ के रॉन्ग किया ताकि पता चले प्रोग्रेस इंक्रीज हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट हो गया, क्लोज कर दो, यहाँ से पीडीएफ डाउनलोड कर सकते हो आप, ठीक है। अब देखो प्रोग्रेस कितना हुआ, अगर आपको रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है रिफ्रेश करो और चेक करो, क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है, इट मीन्स प्ले इट अगेन एंड कंप्लीट इट 100%। लाइक दिस वे यू नीड टू कंप्लीट all the section 100%. When you complete section 1, here you can see 2 out of 4, so 2 modules we have seen, right, of section 1. In this manner, this is select section 2, select and where, that you know, right, select and where close you know. Again 4, 2 1 2 2 2 3 and 4th one is the exam quiz, short quiz. Quiz will be based on this section only. Section quiz will be based on internal module only. So internal module अच्छे से रीड कर लो तो सेक्शन क्विज क्रैक कर देंगे, ठीक है। ऐसे 3rd 4th 5th 6th 7th 8th 9th 10th SQL midterm exam that you need to complete, right? At any time you can give it. Next, section 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 and last SQL final exam. When you complete this final exam, you will get 100% overall score. Here it is 2 out of 72, you will get 100%, right? And your button will be enabled for the certificate. Download that certificate and I will ask that certificate in a Google Classroom at last. If you submit, then your submission and Viva and everything will be processed. Otherwise, everything will be remain. Clear? Any query, any doubt? So this way you need to complete Oracle certificate. Now importance of this certificate. First important to get the CSC marks. Second important, this is not too much important, but most important thing, you can achieve this achievement and you can add a star in your resume. This is world's biggest database company, and if you complete this course, let me tell you, if you go outside and if you ask this course, they will ask the charge. Exam charge approximately 15,000. How much we are paying right now? Free of course. So this is advantage, right? Because we have a tie-up with that MNC company, and we are offering as a part of curriculum, part of syllabus. So that's why it's free for you. So take the advantage, and compulsory you have to do this. एडवांटेज क्या लेना है? सीखो, ये रियल में काम आएगा, रियल में काम आएगा फॉर एवरीवेयर, प्रोजेक्ट से लेके कंपनी में भी. ऐसा नहीं कि आप डेटाबेस की कंपनी में नहीं जाएंगे तो ये डेटाबेस नहीं आएगा. जावा की कंपनी, .NET डेवलपर, कोई भी कंपनी में जाओ, डेटाबेस विल बी, it's like a shadow. Clear? Any query from online students? Any doubt? With the end sem be conducted by MU itself. It means end semester exam, right? ESC exam are you talking, Dhiren? Okay. Yes. End semester will be conducted by MU. It means Marwar University examination department of 50 marks. 30 marks mid-sem exam, that you know, this time it is totally offline. Now we cannot say anything, not me, not you, not management. It depends on situation, right? कोरोना के सिचुएशन कैसे इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं, डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं, depends on that decision will be taken. But till now mid is offline, right? After that, as per the government guidelines, management will take the decision and we will inform you, right? Second, ESC component. When you need to complete this one, you have a full time up to 15th October. Your semester end is 31st October. So before 15th October, you need to complete this course, right? I'm not saying after 15 days I will check your I will check your progress, but I will not say why you have not why you have not completed it 50%. I will not say that statement. Yes, if you have not enrolled and if you have not started, it means 1%, 2%, at least section 1 should be completed, right? After 15 days I will take the follow-up, and also you can see this is your login, not your login, this is my login, member hub. I am the manager of this, so I can see each and every student progress, right? जैसे यहाँ पे देखो मितेश पटेल है ना, खुद का ही डेमो दिखाने के लिए मैंने बनाया था. when I change this username for your account, it will be reflect like this. और ये सरनेम, ये जो लिखा है मितेश पटेल, एज इट इज, इट विल बी प्रिंटेड ऑन अ सर्टिफिकेट. ई सर्टिफिकेट जो आएगा उसमें यही नाम लिखा होगा. सो चेक योर अकाउंट एंड दिस कॉर्नर. Initially it will be OA something, user OA something, right? When I change it, it's your responsibility. I'm telling you in advance, it's your responsibility to check your spelling and your surname, your name, everything. I will update it as per the student section record. I will simply download the class list, and based on that record I will update it. If is there any spelling mistake or surname, or after that you have changed, then please let me know Once I will update it, then you need to inform me. Clear? So till that, don't ping me. Fine. I hope all of you are clear. Sir, can we get the username and password again? Daksh Kundani, I request you first coordinate with your class. If you are a new student, then it's your responsibility to coordinate with your classmates, right? And you should present in every lab and lecture mentally, not physically only, right? And today's lecture itself, I mentioned that thing. Within a short time, I will circulate your username to you on email ID. Although you are asking, sir, can we get the username and password again? This shows your okay. Any question? ओके आपको सर्टिफिकेट एक दिखना है देखना है, चलो मैं दिखा दूं. आई कैन शो यू सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ लास्ट ईयर. Like this, you can see certificate button will be enabled like this. When you click on certificate, you will get certificate like this. Done. And you should have to complete this course step by step. It's not like that कि एक साथ 100%. वो पता चल जाएगा, ठीक है, प्रोग्रेस में. Because everything will be mentioned in a log file. Do you know log file? Do you know history? History. Come on, history of any browser or history of anything. Log is that thing. Log, it means with timestamp, with date. Your activity will be stored as a history, right? So this is all about Oracle. If you have any question, any doubt, you can ask. And this certificate is too much important. Huh? Right now, you don't know the value of this certificate. Okay? But if you ask your seniors, few of them will guide you properly. But based on my experience, this is too much important for the student. Because resume आप जब लेके जाएंगे, आपके पास क्या अचीवमेंट होगा? एक प्रोग्राम में गाना गाया था, वॉलीबॉल, क्रिकेट, उसमें भी नंबर नहीं आया था, सिर्फ अपने पार्टिसिपेट हुए थे, राइट? As you know, we have a lots of academic courses like Cisco, Oracle, AWS, right? So इसके सर्टिफिकेट्स आपके पास हो तो वो एक अचीवमेंट. जैसे नॉर्मल पुलिस और नॉर्मल नेवी मैन होता है और हाई पोस्ट पे जो होता है, उसमें डिफरेंस क्या होता है? सिर्फ पोस्ट, सैलरी नहीं, कंधे पे स्टार्स लगे होते हैं ना. स्टार्स क्या? अचीवमेंट. सिमिलर वे ये रिज्यूम में आपके लिए स्टार्स है. If you know the importance of resume, then you are able to understand this thing. Otherwise, it is meaningless for you right now. Okay. Fine. So in our last lecture, we have seen this many examples. Company you have drawn, and I hope all of you have uploaded in a Google Classroom. If not, then within a short time, upload it. Now this is FAQ. Write a note on mapping cardinality in ER diagram. 1 to 1, many to 1, 1 to many, or many to many. With example, you need to explain. This is very simple question for 4 marks or maybe 3 marks. But this can be asked in 4 marks. Why? Yes, simple, easy. 4 mapping cardinality, 1 for each. जैसे आप इन्वॉल्वमेंट लेंगे और जैसे आप स्टडी करेंगे, आपको खुद को पता चल जाएगा ये क्वेश्चन कितने में पूछ सकते हैं और कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. राइट. Explain the difference between a weak entity and strong entity set. Weak, it means, can anyone from online student? Can anyone tell me? Unmute yourself. Okay, let me tell you one thing to online students or offline too. If you are not responding, then it's create your image, right? It's not like that कि मैं lecture ले रहा हूँ, so no one can ping me or no one can judge you. Everyone is having the rights to see this progress. It means HOD or I say some senior faculties can watch this video maybe after this after lecture or maybe by joining this meet. तो वहां पे आपकी इमेज, क्योंकि मैं तो बोल रहा हूं कि अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड टेल मी. इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग, इट मींस देयर इज अ फॉल्ट फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट साइड. मैसेज कर रहे हो दैट्स फाइन, चैट में लिख रहे हो दैट्स फाइन, but it should be interactive, as I told you in earlier lectures. So when anybody will ask to me, simply I will see, I will pass this lecture link to them and tell them, please watch this video and listen carefully. I already asked them to unmute yourself and speak, but आप लोग बोल ही नहीं रहे हो. That's great. उससे आगे तो मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ. Entity which does not have a primary key, that is right, correct. That is the weak entity set. आप लोग जानते हो फिर भी नहीं बोलते हो, अच्छी बात है. In contrast, contradictory. Difference between generalization and specialization. When they ask any difference, use how you will write the answer. Yes, divide the answer in 2 sections, first and second, or if it is not suitable for you, you can write by one by one. First you write generalization, then write the specialization. At that, but more suitable is 2 sections, right? Parallelly. Generalization and specialization. One is the top down and second one is the bottom up. Write a note on constraints on specialization and generalization. What will be the answer of this question? Fourth question. Write a note on constraints on a specialization and generalization. Which constraint we can include here? Tell me the names. In this question, What should be the answer? Yesterday we have seen, I think. Yes, not yesterday. Before day of the yesterday. Yes, before two lecture we have seen this one. Disjoint constraints and Google answer. Good.
Completeness.
That's why I told Google answer. Good. Disjoint constraint and overlapping, or non-disjoint, right? Now, constraints of ER diagram, or constraints, or integrity constraints. In that, what should we include? Integrity constraints. Just name it. An integrity constraint: check, null, primary key, unique key, foreign key. These all are the integrity constraints. So make the difference between integrity constraint and constraint on generalization and specialization. Right? Explain aggregation in ER diagram with example. Simple. Merge. Merge two or three entity with one relation into one entity, and that entity should join with the another entity by using one relation. Why we need aggregation? We cannot join two relationships directly, right? That's why aggregation is required. Good. Draw ER diagram for bank management system. Okay, in this last two types of questions are there. First, draw the ER diagram of bank management system. I hope all of you are able to draw this one, right? Second one, construct an ER diagram for a car insurance company whose customers own one or more cars each, blah 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 blah. It means scenario is given to you. As per this scenario, you need to include all these entity which are mentioned in this scenario. You need to include all the types of attributes, or all the attributes which are mentioned in this scenario. So you need to read this paragraph is in a detail carefully, right? इसको मैं दूसरे क्वेश्चन में कन्वर्ट कर दूं, ड्रॉ द ईयर डायग्राम फॉर कार इंश्योरेंस कंपनी, तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. क्लियर? सो इसमें एज पर दी सिनारियो जो भी एंटिटी आपको मेंशन करने की बोली है वो कंपलसरी मैंडेटरी, यू नीड टू मेंशन दैट एंटिटी into the ER diagram, right? Getting? So I hope all of you are able to draw the ER diagram neat and clean and 100% or nearby 100. I am expecting 90 percentage 90 percentage for this question from 80 percentage student. 20 नहीं करेंगे वो मुझे पता है. Expectation should be high, तभी आप कर पाएंगे. और नहीं कर पाए तो मेरा कोई लॉस नहीं, इसमें मेरा क्या जाता. Thank you. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, screen screen is visible to you. Draw this one. Draw this one. कहाँ गया? Last one. Car insurance company, right? If you have any query, any doubt, I am here. You can ask. Otherwise, go for that. Okay, Devans, I will add you, but don't worry and don't hurry. Take a name of hurry only. Okay, from next lecture we will start the second unit as per the syllabus of university, and that is important. आप बोलेंगे सर सब कुछ important है, हाँ है.